I know we all love a good smash burger, but have you ever tried one with ground lamb? I did it this time and it was absolutely delicious. I started off by making a Greek-style spread for the burgers. I combined plain Greek yogurt, a little bit of feta cheese, fresh mint, lemon juice, and a little bit of black pepper. I mixed that up till it was well combined and put it in the fridge until we were ready to use it. Now for those lamb smash burgers, the process does not change when you're using lamb. We're going to let it crisp up for a minute or two before smashing those down, letting that crust form a little bit more. After 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to flip those over and continue to do the exact same thing. Still want to form that perfect crispy crust and still has a juicy interior. Now, what we're going to do differently for these, I'm going to use feta cheese on top of these burgers. Also, I'm going to place a metal bowl over the top of these burgers. It's just going to help the cheese melt a little bit faster. If you have a dome, absolutely use that. I was just going with this because it's what I had on hand. Once the cheese is melted, you're just about done. I like to double stack those smash burgers before I put them on a toasted bun. Made sure to add that prepared sauce that we made earlier, as well as a little bit of lettuce and onions. Finish that off with another heaping spoonful of that prepared sauce and dig in.